Look what we have, guys. Today we're going to be making strawberry Piña Colada Popsicles.
And these are delicious!
So first we're gonna start by making our Piña Colada mix. We're gonna start with 1 cup of pineapples.
So we're gonna puree the pineapple by pulsing it with the NutriBullet a few times.
So now that we pulsed our pineapple, we're going to add some coconut milk and coconut cream.
You gotta shake it
Shake
first.
it up real good. Especially the coconut cream, you wanna make sure that you shake it really good because it does separate and you'll have like this weird like chunky water. You don't want that. You want it mixed good.
So we're gonna pour this entire can of coconut milk.
Then we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of the coconut cream. Next, we're going to be adding a 1/4 cup of Bacardi. Always have the big bottle stocked.
Because look at how low it is. We be using it. So we're gonna be doing a 1/4 cup of water.
And then we're gonna blend all of that up. So we're gonna muddle our strawberries. We're gonna add 2 ounces of simple syrup to our muddled strawberries. Mix that up real good. And our popsicle molds. Let's get those. Now we're gonna fill our cute little popsicle molds. You wanna put about 1 teaspoon into each mold. And then I like to kind of just like separate it out so that way you get it throughout the popsicle.
And now we're gonna add the mixture. So now we're gonna be sealing them with this lid. They might overflow, that's why there's a napkin. It's okay. Oh, just a little bit. That's all right. Perfect. So then you're gonna pop these in the freezer for at least 6 hours. I'm gonna go put them in the freezer. BRB, guys. Bye.
So our final product, let's open it up.
Wow.
So pretty.
I just wanna eat it.
So they're just beautiful. Look at them. They're like beautiful white coconut, creamy looking, and then they have that strawberry peeking through.
Cheers.
Really good.
So good. Wow.
Taste the coconut.
Oh my god, and the strawberry. The strawberry is our favorite part. And you can taste the alcohol. You can. You can taste a little bit of the Bacardi.
Yeah. The strawberry makes these things though.
It's the whole thing.
That's aggressive.
Brain freeze. Oh my god.
Piña
Colada.
Colada.
Piña colada. Piña colada. Why do
I've
you
always said
say
colada.
it so weird?
Colada.
It's piña colada.
Piña Colada.
Like it's not.
Colada.
It's not
Colada.
C-O-O.
Colada.
Colada.
It's-
How do you say coladas? Like you want a coffee
It's a
colada?
O though.
Yeah. But it's a Spanish thing. If you were saying it's Spanish, it would be piña colada. No piña
Colada.
Colada. Colada.
Colada.
Colada.
You said ca.
I know, but that's like
Like-
the gringo way of saying
Ca.
piña coladas. I want a piña colada. Do you have piña coladas?
Do you say culada or colada or culada?
Or colada.
Piña colada. I say cool.
I say,
Colada.
I say on a regular basis from speaking English, I say piña colada. If I'm, in my other language,
Piña colada.
I say piña colada. Piña colada.